Xiaomi Mi Note 10 with 108 MP camera may launch soon in India. Could rival OnePlus 7T. Highlights. Xiaomi could bring the Mi Note 10 to India very soon. The Mi Note 10 with 108 MP penta camera may compete with OnePlus 7T and Realme X2 Pro. Xiaomi will also bring the Mi Mix Alpha in limited numbers to India. The Mi Note 10 came out as the world's first commercial phone with a 108-megapixel camera and other best bits from Xiaomi. With an asking price similar to what OnePlus would charge for its regular phones. As expected, Xiaomi didn't reveal any intentions of launching this phone in India at the time. However, it now seems that Xiaomi has changed its mind and it could bring the Mi Note 10 to India soon. A fresh report from 91 Mobiles suggests that Xiaomi India is figuring out a suitable launch timeline for bringing the Mi Note 10 to India in a couple of months. And for the first time, this Mi series phone won't be presented as an Android One device. Xiaomi is said to bring the Mi Note 10 to India running its own MIUI OS based on Android. And it will be an expensive phone, similar to the price Xiaomi charges in China and Europe for the phone. This will be the first time since 2017 that Xiaomi is bringing a premium Mi series phone to the Indian shows. From the last 2 years, the only Mi series phones that Xiaomi has been launching is the Android One based Mi series phones. Given the hardware, the Mi Note 10 could sit above the Redmi K20 Pro in India. And as the report says, Xiaomi could look to take on the rivalry with OnePlus, Realme and Vivo in the sub 40,000 rupees category.